Hello everybody! Today's video will demonstrate luck and skill on the road. Enjoy watching. Driver turns right in front of me, instead of waiting 2 seconds. The driver of the Nissan ignored the order of the intersection. This time, he got lucky. The red truck decided to get into the fast lane and slow down. I pulled into the slow lane to get away from him, all before the video started. And then he does this. Almost immediately, they then proceed to blinker and lane change right into my lane, almost colliding with my front passenger fender. I had to slam on my brakes and nearly run into the median curb to avoid collision.
Really? President Biden has been having problems.
What the? The White House doctor, I guess, advised him to roll them tighter.
Deixa eu lembrar aonde que eu tenho que ir, velho. Tá, eu tô indo pro Japesca. Que nem eu faço com a Johanna, que eu vou esgoelando o motor dela, sabe? A 100 por hora. Meu Deus, eu errei a saída. Meu...
I wanted to turn right, but also the driver wanted to as well, without a turn signal. Also, it seemed like he could let me squeeze because he was closer to the left side of the lane. It was a close call, almost clipping my front off. Headed out, and this guy almost hit us because they are bad drivers. Bad driver fails to yield and slams on brakes to get into the far left lane for mall entrance.
On the what? By the house, the light right there by the building. Oh, okay. So this is like doing business. It was just Damn!
This bus driver had no reason to bully their way in. I was letting everyone in a hurry come on in, and the driver just needed to give a few more seconds to slow down a bit more. I was happily cruising home from work on southbound Bradshaw Road in Sacramento, California, approaching Gerber Road at about 45 miles per hour when some driver decided to pull out in front of me at the last second. If I wasn't paying attention, I would have plowed into that car. This individual wanted to get around me, and the person turning left in front of me so badly that they almost sideswiped the person rightfully in their lane. Note the Honda Accord that does crazy maneuvers at the front.
Get off the phone! Come on!
I was driving northbound on Ramsey Road, going around 55 miles per hour, unposted California speed limit, when all of a sudden a child wandered in the middle of the road 500 feet ahead of me. Luckily, I saw the kid and slowed down almost to a stop. His assumed dad turns around and quickly grabs him off the road.
Thank you for your time and have a great day.